What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy Kenny with JDM Muscle. And that's right, we're not in my garage this time. The 240 is effed up. So we did come all the way down to Muncie, Indiana. We are down at Velocity Autoworks, or Motorworks? Autoworks, yes. Okay, I did have it right. So we did come all the way down here. Going to drop it off to these guys. They do have a couple other cars set up. He does know SR, so it is a good feeling. Just because I can't continue trying to do everything myself, I do need help, especially if somebody else can do it better than I can. So we're dropping her off. Hopefully we get it back this season. Otherwise, guys, stay tuned and let's get it.